Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to make a comment on any Instagram post. So if you want to make a comment on any Instagram post, first you need to open your home feed section, and you can see that under your home feed this post has been 45 comments. You need to click on that specific portion, and now all the comments will be open now. And if you want to add your comment, like in my case I had already add nice pic, and I will add a mention option. If you want to mention any of your friend for that specific comment, you can mention that. Like in my case I had mentioned nice pic, and I had choose that profile and click on post. This comment will shown on that profile, and it will also give a notification which to that person which you had mentioned. Like I had mentioned that person, so it will give a notification to that person that this person has been commented. So this is the way to comment and mention for your on any Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to make comments on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.